Hello, today you're going to take a quiz on the measure of central tendency and range. For the following questions, please be sure to show your work, which you will receive a score for, as well as circle the correct answer. And since we're going to be doing this on Edpuzzle, instead of circling your correct answer, you can choose it on Edpuzzle. So, speaking of Edpuzzle, in order to show your work, you have two options. You can describe in words what you would do, being specific, what numbers you would use, and what you're going to do with them. You can describe that in words, or you can show. For instance, if you thought one of these steps was to put numbers in order, you could show the numbers in order. Or if you thought that you needed to subtract one number from another number, then you could show what numbers you were using. So either using words or showing the actual numbers. So let's begin. The first question says, what is the median of the data set below? Show your work, and then press continue when you're ready to answer the question. What is the median of this data set below? Number 2, Juan's quiz scores for the trimester are shown in the table below. 18, 15, 16, 20, and 17. What is Juan's mean quiz score for the trimester? Show your work. When you're finished completing your work, please press continue. Which choice, A, B, C, or D, represents the mean quiz score for his trimester? What is the mode of the data set below? You do not need to show your work. The data set is 27, 20, 20, 27, 25, 23, 21, 27, and 26. Please choose A, B, C, or D. The following table shows the high temperatures for the last 5 days. Use the table to answer questions 4, 5, and 6. What is the range of the temperatures? Show your work and press continue when you're ready. Which one of these choices, A, B, C, or D, represents the range of temperatures? Using the table above, calculate each of the measures of central tendency. There's mean, median, and mode. You do not have to show your work for this section, but please write your answer. Using your calculator and or a piece of paper and pencil, please calculate the mean and then write the answer. Press continue when you're done. Using your calculator and or a piece of paper and pencil, please find the median. When you're finished, please press continue. Using your calculator and or a piece of paper and pencil, please find the mode. After you're finished, please press continue. Which of the following measures is the best to describe the center of the data? So the mean was 87 and 4/10. The median was 89. The mode was 93. And the range was 19. Please choose the answer that best describes the center of the data and press continue when you're finished. Thank you for taking the quiz today. Please let this video completely run to the end so it automatically turn in. Take care.